Are you looking for a solution on how to export inbox files to Outlook for Mac? Here we are discussing about an amazing product recovery tools Inbox Migrator which fulfill your requirement. So, let's have a look on the features of Inbox Migrator. This utility allows you to perform batch migration. It keeps meta properties of emails like to, BCC, from, CC, subject, date and time, header properties, sender info, receiver info, etc. As it supports 30+ savings options so you can save the inbox in any email or file format. Allow to migrate inbox files with attachments. It maintains original folder hierarchy of the email folders during conversion. The software supports all types of inbox files like Gmail, Thunderbird, Apple Mail, etc. Now, let's learn the working of the tool. The software interface is very user-friendly and simple to use. Click on Next button. Here, you have dual options to select inbox files, select files and select folders option. Click on Select Files option and select inbox file from the source location. Either click on Select Folder option. Click on Next button. Here you can see the complete folder hierarchy of the inbox files. So, now click on the checkbox button and select the required email folders to be converted. Click on Next button. Now, we need to select the saving option. Click on Select Saving option button. Select Outlook for Mac, OLM, as saving option from the list. You can click on Save Converted Messages in Same Source folder so that you can save the resultant data to the source location, where inbox file exists. You can change the destination path as per your choice by clicking on Browse button. Select File Naming option to save the emails according to from, subject and date. Click on Convert button to start the conversion. After a complete conversion, you will get a pop-up message Conversion completed successfully. Click on OK button. Trial version will allow you to convert only 25 emails from each folder. The software will create saving log.txt file containing converted emails from the total no of emails with folder's name. The target folder where the output files is saved will automatically open.